So if anyone's seen my video where I go through a real life case study of connecting data on SharePoint that a client stores on SharePoint to Power BI, this report will look familiar. The main thing that I just want to go through here very quickly is how RLS works. So RLS essentially in Power BI reads the user's login details and then filters the data based off that login detail. So what I'll do is I'll stop viewing as this person. I have this name blurred out because it will obviously give the client's name away and this is confidential data. But what I'll do is I'll stop viewing and you'll be able to see that this client has 6 different locations. And if this is now published on Power BI service and is actively being used by the owner and the site managers. And if we want to test a login and make sure it's working, all we need to do is do what we're doing here. I obviously have it blurred out again for confidentiality reasons, but let's say we're logging in as this site manager here. He will then only be able to see the data related to his site. So you can see here straight away, it automatically removes any of the other site IDs. And then obviously that flows through all of the pages of the reports. So again, a huge benefit of Power BI is the easy ability to be able to do that. There is a small bit of work on the developer side or in terms of setting up a small table that has each of the login names and the related sites or locations or what have you that person is eligible to be able to see. And then after that, it's just setting it up. It doesn't take any time at all, really. And obviously, this can be applied across other areas such as payroll. So you know, if you're within a organization and you're looking at financial reports, obviously there's probably a very limited amount of people that should be able to see the payroll per employee, and this is where that kind of those kind of rules and security are very easy to set up within Power BI. So that's just a quick little summary on how you can test and set up RLS to make sure that people are only viewing what they should be viewing within the reports.